In today's world, technology is advancing at a rapid pace. As such, there is a constant need for companies and businesses to adapt and utilize the latest tools and frameworks to stay competitive. Java, Python, AI, and cloud computing are some of the most in-demand technologies in the industry currently. Companies are leveraging these technologies to develop innovative solutions and gain a competitive edge in the market. In this case study, we will explore how Java, Python, AI, and cloud computing are used in a real-world scenario and the benefits they offer. Java is a popular programming language used for developing a wide range of applications, from web and mobile to desktop and enterprise solutions. It is known for its platform independence, making it a versatile language that can be used on any operating system. One major company that utilizes Java is Netflix. The streaming giant relies heavily on Java for its highly scalable and robust back-end systems. With millions of users accessing their service simultaneously, Java's multi-threading capabilities allow Netflix to handle high traffic and deliver a seamless streaming experience. On the other hand, Python is a highly versatile language that is used in a variety of applications, including web development, data analytics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. One example of Python's application is in the healthcare industry. A startup called Diagnose uses Python to develop a software that can analyze medical images and detect diseases accurately. The use of Python's libraries for machine learning and artificial intelligence allows the software to continuously learn and improve its accuracy. This has greatly improved the accuracy and efficiency of medical diagnosis, ultimately saving lives. Artificial intelligence, AI, is the simulation of intelligent human behavior in machines, making them capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI is used in various industries, from healthcare and finance to retail and manufacturing. An excellent example of AI application is in e-commerce. Amazon, one of the largest e-commerce companies in the world, uses AI algorithms to personalize product recommendations for its customers. These algorithms analyze a customer's browsing history, purchase history, and other data to predict the products that the customer is most likely to buy, increasing sales and customer satisfaction. Cloud computing is the delivery of on-demand computing services, including servers, storage, databases, networking, software, and analytics, over the Internet. It provides a flexible and cost-effective alternative to on-premise data centers. One company that has successfully utilized cloud computing is Airbnb. The popular hospitality company uses cloud services to store and process massive amounts of data generated by its millions of users. This allows them to scale their infrastructure as needed without the hassle and cost of managing physical servers. The combination of Java, Python, AI, and cloud computing has resulted in revolutionary products and services that have transformed industries. One such example is Tesla, the electric vehicle company. Tesla uses Java for its vehicle software, Python for its artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, and cloud computing to manage and analyze a massive amount of vehicle data. This has allowed Tesla to offer groundbreaking features such as self-driving capabilities and over-the-air software updates. In conclusion, the use of Java, Python, AI, and cloud computing is not limited to a specific industry or use case. They are versatile technologies that have enabled companies to innovate and solve complex problems. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more exciting use cases of these technologies in the future. Companies that embrace and adapt to these technologies will have a significant advantage in the competitive business landscape.
Join MyExamCloud and prepare for your certification exams.